guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to basically edit text on an image file. So the image which I will be editing in this video is like a scanned document which I really wanted to edit the spell. So as you guys know, it's super easy to edit PDF and Word file, but if you have a scanned image or if you have an image file and you want to edit a text, it's kind of tricky, but there's a very easy hack which I really want to share with you guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download any kind of editing app you like. I'm using PicsArt because it was lying around in my smartphone, and B, it's completely free. So once you have imported an image into your photo editing app, the second thing you want to do is you want to find the same kind of a background which you have on the image. So mine was kind of like an off-white because it was scanned in a scanner. So what I ended up doing was I zoomed into a place where there was no text on like the image and I could really see the background. So I took a screenshot of it and I decided to place over on the text which I really want to edit. So it's super simple. If you have a really wide document which was made in like a PDF or it was later converted into like an image file, you can always go onto Google and you can download just a white background or a white image and you can place over the text. Now I won't recommend you to use this kind of a hack for official documents, but since the document which I had laying around was a casual one, so that's why I decided to try this kind of a hack. But this hack could be useful if you are in school or in university, you want to change a name on an assignment or something like that. Just telling you guys some of the hacks which I wish I knew earlier. So that's the thing. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.